Today we are starting our new chapter, Algebraic Expression of Class 7. First of all, before we go to learn about algebraic expression, we now point out to some important words which are using in this algebraic expression. Firstly is constant. What are constants? A symbol having a fixed numeral value is called a constant. कोई भी ऐसा सिंबल जिसका एक फिक्स्ड वैल्यू हो उसको हम लोग क्या कहते हैं? कांस्टेंट कहते हैं. जैसे 1 2 3 5 -5 -6 एंड सो ऑन. उसका कोई एक खास वैल्यू है, उसके अलावा उसका और कोई वैल्यू नहीं होता. दैट आर कॉल्ड कांस्टेंट्स. नाउ व्हाट आर वेरिएबल्स? वेरिएबल्स आर दोस a symbol which takes various numerical values is known as variables. Example is this x, y, z, a, b, c and so on. इसमें किसी x, y, z, a, b, c का कोई खास वैल्यू नहीं है. वो हर जगह पे अलग अलग वैल्यू हो सकता है. x का कुछ भी वैल्यू हो सकता है, बहुत सारा वैल्यूज हो सकता है. वो वेरी करता है, इसलिए क्या कहते हैं उसको? वेरिएबल. इज इट क्लियर? Now take what is the perimeter of a square? We know the perimeter of a square is, what is the perimeter of a square? 4 into side. Then 4 is said to be numeral value that is constant. And p and s are the variable. p और s क्या है? वेरिएबल है. s का वैल्यू 1 रख देंगे तो p का वैल्यू 4 हो गया, तो वेरी कर रहा है ना. s का वैल्यू 2 रख देंगे तो p का वैल्यू 8 हो गया, वेरी कर रहा है. दिस देयरफॉर s and p are said to be variables. Is it clear? Now come to our main topic. Our main topic is algebraic expression. A combination of constants and variables connected by some or all four fundamental mathematical operation. ये प्लस माइनस मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड जो है उसको कहते हैं मैथमेटिकल ऑपरेशंस या फंडामेंटल ऑपरेशन. इज कॉल्ड एन अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन. एक ऐसा कॉम्बिनेशन जिसमें वेरिएबल्स और कांस्टेंट किसी फंडामेंटल ऑपरेशन या तो सभी हो या कोई हो के साथ एक कॉम्बिनेशन में रहे, उसको एक अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन कहते हैं. A combination of constant and variable with some or all of the mathematical operation is known as algebraic expression. Example में 4x square minus 3x plus 5. This is an algebraic expression. Here the variable x, here variable is also x, and the constant is 4, 3 and 5. There are constant terms, no fixed values. Here minus 7x square plus y square z plus 3. It is also a algebraic expression. Now we have to point some terms in this algebraic expression. So what are literal? Literal, that means the variable of x, y, z are said to be literal. जिसका कोई वैल्यू है हो सकता है, जो वैरी करता है उसको कहते हैं लिटरल. फैक्टर्स क्या है? फैक्टर्स ही को वेरिएबल कहते हैं. जो भी यहाँ पे फैक्टर्स है, x का कोई अपना फैक्टर है 3 और x यहाँ पे क्या फैक्टर्स का फॉर्म में, तो ऑल दिस आर सेड टू बी वेरिएबल्स एंड फैक्टर्स. व्हाट आर द कोएफिशिएंट? व्हाट इज कोएफिशिएंट? कोएफिशिएंट क्या है? जो उसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई में. जैसे व्हाट इज द कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x स्क्वायर? -7. व्हाट इज द कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x in first expression? What is the coefficient of x? -3. What is the coefficient of y square? Then z. Is it clear? Now we will discuss terms of an algebraic expression. Terms of an algebraic expression. In an algebraic expression, the different terms are separated by plus or minus sign. The different terms of an algebraic expression is separated by plus and or minus sign are called the terms of the expression. Now we will discuss types of algebraic expression according to terms. Terms के according algebraic expression का types क्या क्या होगा. तो पहला है monomial. What are monomial? An algebraic expression which contains only one term is called monomial. Example is that 5x एक ही term है, 3a square 7. These are monomial. इसमें एक ही term है 5x. ये प्रोडक्ट मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड में अलग नहीं होता, प्लस और माइनस से डिवाइड होता अलग होता है. तो ये -3a² तो एक ही टर्म है ना, तो ये क्या हो गया मोनोमियल. नेक्स्ट वन इज binomial. What are binomial? And algebraic expression it contains only two terms are said to be binomial. Example is that 2a plus 3b x² minus 4x²y. Next one is trinomial. What are trinomial? Trinomial, an algebraic expression contains three terms are said to be trinomial. Example is that x plus y plus z. And next fourth one is quadrinomial. What are quadrinomial? An algebraic expression contains four terms is called quadrinomial. Quadri means four, nomial मतलब terms, monomial, mono मतलब single, binomial मतलब two, trinomial three, quadri means four terms. Is it clear? Now we will learn some more points to understand algebraic expression, in which the next term is constant term. What is constant term? A term of the expression having no literal term or variable is called a constant term. एक ऐसा टर्म को हम constant term कहेंगे जिसमें कोई वेरिएबल ना हो, वेरिएबल नहीं हो, उसको क्या कहते हैं constant term कहते हैं. एग्जाम्पल लिया जाए कि x² plus 2x minus 3 इज अ algebraic expression. ये कोई एक algebraic expression है. x² plus 2x minus 3 is an algebraic expression in which 3 have no variables. 3 के साथ कोई वेरिएबल नहीं है. Therefore -3 is called constant term. Next is like and unlike terms. Like and unlike terms. In a given algebraic expression, किसी algebraic expression में अगर terms जो है the terms having the same literal factors or variable, जिसमें same variable हो, exactly same variable हो, वैसे को हम लोग कहते हैं like terms और similar terms. Otherwise अगर एक जैसा term ना हो तो क्या कहते हैं unlike term. Otherwise they are called unlike terms. एग्जाम्पल ले लिया जाए जैसे 5x से n minus 8x, 5x n minus 8x, इसमें भी x है वेरिएबल, इसमें भी x है. दे आर सेड टू बी लाइक टर्म्स. अगेन -15y² एंड +25y², इसमें भी y² है, इसमें भी y² है. ये क्या हो गया लाइक टर्म्स. बोथ आर लाइक टर्म्स. ये इसके साथ लाइक टर्म्स है और ये इसके साथ लाइक टर्म्स है. इसी तरह इधर भी है -8yz एंड -8xy. 8 और y तो सेम है, 8 और y भी सेम, बट इसमें z है, इसमें x है, तो ये लाइक टर्म नहीं है. तो ये क्या हो गया अनलाइक टर्म. इसमें 4a² भी एंड 4a भी, 4 भी है, a भी है, b भी है, बट यहाँ a² 2a बट यहाँ एक ही है, इसलिए लाइक टर्म नहीं है. ये दोनों क्या है अनलाइक टर्म. इज इट क्लियर? ये अनलाइक का एक पेयर है, ये अनलाइक का एक पेयर है. इज इट क्लियर? नाउ वी विल ब्रश अप आवर मेमोरी which we have learned in some previous classes, class 6. Now there is a question to add -8x² plus 6y² plus 5 and 2x² minus 3y² by two methods. Firstly by column method and secondly by horizontal method. We will do one by one. Now by column method we know how to write -8x² plus 6y² plus 5. Again 2x². We are writing 2x² just below the terms x², that is of like terms. like terms के नीचे लिखते हैं, इधर उधर नहीं लिखते. like term पहला लाइन जैसे भी लिख दिए and second expression must be written just below the same like term. like terms के नीचे लिखते हैं. What is the like term of 2x²? 2x² minus 3y². We have to add here, so we will put a addition sign. No, there is 5, but there is no constant term, so we will add it directly it plus 5. What is here 6y square and minus 3y square. 6y square में 3y square चला जाएगा, क्या बचेगा प्लस 3y स्क्वायर. 6 में माइनस 3 जाएगा तो प्लस 3 बचेगा एंड y स्क्वायर एज इट इज. Similarly, from minus 8x square plus 2x square, there is 8 is greater which have minus sign, so it will be minus 6x square. This is our answer, and same will be done by horizontal method. So we will write here minus 8x square minus 8x square plus 6y square plus 5 plus 2x square minus 3y. Therefore we will write a equal sign there, that is minus 8x square plus 6y plus 5 plus 2x square minus 3y square. Arrange in as like terms. Minus 8x square, this 2x square comes forward, plus 6y, this is 3y square, this is 6y square, 6y square 3y square plus 5. This will become, what is minus 8x square plus 2x square, minus 6x square, 6y square, this will become plus 3y square plus 5. In both the cases the answer remain constant, answer will be same, answer एक जैसा होगा, मेथड कोई सा भी रहे. Is it clear? This is our previous type of question which we have already learned in class 6. Now there is a question to subtract 6p square minus 3pq plus r from minus 12p square plus 5pq minus 14r. There are also two methods, column method and horizontal method. We have to do one by one. Now we know that the from part which comes first, from वाला जो होता है उसको पहले लिखते हैं, ऊपर लिखते हैं. Therefore minus 12p square plus 5pq minus 14r. Now this term will be written as below, and following the previous rule also to write like just below the like terms. Then it is 16p square, write it in just below p square term, minus 13pq minus 13pq plus r. Now we have to subtract it, so we will put a sign, minus sign here, and the opposite of that, it is minus, then it will become positive, it will be positive, then it become minus, just opposite the sign for subtraction only, no need to in addition. But in subtraction we will just convert this sign into opposite, minus then plus, plus then minus. It is already plus, then it will become minus. So now minus 14r and minus r become minus 15r. This minus 5pq plus 5, this is the final sign, plus 13pq, 13 and 5 plus 18pq. Is it clear? 5 plus 13. If you have some problem, then write it as this, plus 5 30 plus 13, it is 18 plus 18, so we will write 18 and pq is the remaining part of this term, then write pq just behind the 18pq. Now it become minus 12p and minus 6p, it is minus 18p square. Is it clear? Now do this from there also. It is written from terms first, plus 5pq minus 14r minus, so we have to subtract, then we have to put a minus sign. What will be this next term? 6p square minus 13pq plus r. This is become, put up your all the brackets, plus 5 plus 5 pq minus 14r. Now it is minus 6p square, this minus is come here, so all the sign of this under bracket terms will be just opposite. This is positive, then it become minus negative, it is negative, then it become positive, then it is positive, then it become negative. जो भी साइन होता है उसका उल्टा हो जाता है, माइनस है तो प्लस हो जाएगा, प्लस हो जाएगा तो अलग है, अगर माइनस आगे में है तो. नो अरेंज according to like terms, p square, then p square terms comes forward, 6p square it is 5 pq, then it is 13 pq, here minus 14r and minus r. This is in arranged form only. Minus 12p, minus 6p, minus 18p square. This term become this. Now this term become 18pq, 5pq and 13pq. 18pq minus 15r, minus 14r, minus r, minus 15r. Both the answer are same. Now we have reached up to worksheet 1. We have to start worksheet 1, in which first question is that find the product. What is product? We have to multiply the given term. Here the first question, 9x cube multiplied by 2x4. So we will write in the solution and part solution here 9x power 3 multiply 2x to power 4 is equal to, firstly we will multiply the numeral value. Firstly we will multiply the numeral value and then the variable part. So here 9 and 2 are the variable. Numeral value 9 multiply 2 multiply x cube multiply x4. There is a little difference between this multiply sign and the x, so you have to recognize very well. Then 9 2 ja 18 multiply x, then x power 3 and x power 4. When the bases are same, and in multiplicative form the power will be added. पावर को ऐड किया जाता है, ये हम लोग ने पावर एंड एक्सपोनेंट्स चैप्टर में पढ़ा है. देन 3 plus 4, this will become 18 x to power 7. This is our final answer. Now go to the very next question. Here solution, here minus 8y to the power 9 minus 8y to the power 9 is multiplied by minus 4y power cube. We don't need to write this multiply and minus sign at a time, then we will use a bracket there. Now multiply the literal term, minus 8 multiplied by minus 4. Firstly multiply the numeral part, then the literal part. Y to the power 9, you want to write multiply sign or not write, then both are the same. Multiplied by y to the power 3. This minus is multiplied by minus, minus minus become plus, and 8 4 ja 32 y to the power 9 plus 3. This will become 32 y to the power 12. Is it clear? Now in the second question we have to multiply the monomial. This is the very same question as previous question. So we will write as previous. Similarly here 7pq multiplied by 4 by 3 p square qq. Write it again. 7 multiply 4 by 3, firstly the numeral part, then p multiply p square, this is the p term and the p term. Now multiply q multiply q cube. This will become 7 4 ja 28 by 3, then p power 1 plus 2 become 3 and q power 1 3 4 is the final answer. Now come to the part solution. You may draw a line to make it solution. Here 2 by 5 x square y multiplied by 5 by 3 x cube y square z square, which is equal to 2 by 5 multiplied by 5 by 3 multiply x square multiply x cube multiply y square, there is no z but there is z, plus multiply z square. Now this 5 is in multiplicative form and the upper side and the lower side, then 5 must be cancelled, then it becomes 2 by 3 multiply x power 2 and power 3 x to the power 5, 2 plus 3 5, y to the power 1 plus 2 3 and z to the power 2. Answer. Now in the next question there is 4 terms, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 monomials and we have to multiply all of them. Now write in solution part here. What is given? 3 by 4 pq is multiplied by 1 by 2 qr square is multiplied by minus 5 p square rq. As I have told earlier that no two sign will be written at a time, so we will put a bracket there, multiply minus 6 r square. Same case is here. Now put a equal sign, write down the numeral terms. 3 by 4 multiplied by 1 by 2 multiplied by minus 5 multiplied by minus 6. Now write it by p. It is multiplied p multiply, there is no p term, p square multiply, this is q, this is q, there is no q term, multiply, there is no r, there is r square, there is r cube, multiply r3, there is r square. We have to write it very carefully so no terms will be left behind. Now solve all of them, simplify. There is this given term, there is 2 and this 6 may be cancelled by this 2. Is it cancelled by 4? Any terms there? No. So we will multiply this, minus become plus, and there is no need to write plus sign. No, there is 4 just below, there is, because there is no denominator. Now multiply the numerators. 3 1 is 3, 3 5 is 15, 15 3 is 45. No, this is p to the power 1 p square, that is p is 3, q power 1, this become q power 2, multiply r square 3 and 3, 3 3 6 to 8. We will write it directly as it is our 2 3 4 5 questions, so we have very well practiced there, so we can write it directly. There is no need to write 2 plus 1 3 and 1 plus 1 2 in the next line, so we will do it directly without putting the multiplicative sign there. Is it clear? Here in next question we have to find the product of this and verify the result for x is equal to 1. Firstly we have to find the product and then we have to verify the result. So we will start as here. The given question is 1 by 2 x cube minus 10x 1 by 5 x square. In between the two brackets there is a multiplicative sign. Between the two brackets there is a multiplicative sign. So we don't need to be worried where is the multiplied sign. So now we will write the numeral part very carefully. 1 by 5. Now write down the literal part, x cube multiply x square. This is become 2 5 is 10. This 5 will first cancel here, so there is only minus sign left, minus 1, and x cube power 1 x to the power 6. Is it clear? 3 plus 1 plus 2, it is 6. This is 6. Now it is this result form. Now for the verification part of this question, this given question is considered as LHS and the result is considered as RHS. Now verification. We have LHS is equal to, what is LHS? The given question, 1 by 2 x cube minus 10x 1 by 5 x square. We have to put now verification for which x is equal to 1. Put x is equal to 1. 1 by 2 into 1 cube, 1 to the power 3, minus 10 into 1, 1 by 5 multiply 1 to the power 2. It will become 1 by 2 multiply 1 minus 10 multiplied by 1 is 1. 1 by 5 multiply 1. This will become 1 by 2 multiplied by 1 1 1 2 1 2 and minus 10 multiply 1 by 5. So solve it by minus 5. This is cancelled. This is minus 1. Now the and RHS. First part is solved. Now RHS is equal to, what is RHS? The result, minus x to the power 6. What is the value of x? 1, 1 to the power 6, and the 1 power is minus 1. Therefore, hence LHS is equal to RHS. LHS भी माइनस 1 आया था, RHS भी माइनस 1 आ गया, तो हम कह सकते हैं कि LHS इज इक्वल टू RHS वेरीफाइड. Question number 5 is same as this question, so I left that question and doing this question. In this question, question number 6, we have to find the product as usual of the question number 4 and verify the result for the given values. So now try to solve this. Solution here, write down it into product form. A square b c square multiply 9a b square c square minus 4 a b square c to the power 4. Write down it are numeral terms. There is no numeral terms. There is a numeral terms. 9 into minus 4. This is numeral term. Now multiply a square multiply a multiply a. This is a. This is 9. A square, a and a. There is b to the power 1. There is b square. There is b square. Now come to c square. C square. There is c square. There is c to the power 4. Now there is 9 4 ja 36 minus 36. There is a to the power 2, a to the power 1, a to the power 1. This will become a to the power 4. There is b 1 2 3 b to the power 5. I have not written multiply sign there. This c to the power 2 to 4 2 plus 2 plus 4, it is 8. This is RHS part, this is LHS part. Now verification. For if you want to write the values, verification for a is equal to 1 by 2, b is equal to minus 1, c is equal to 1. Write it here, and it is not necessary to write here. LHS is equal to, what is LHS? This is LHS. A square b c square 9a b square c square 4a b square c to the power 4. Write down the values of a to the, what is the value of a square? 1 by 2. So we have to write 1 by 2 square, so we will use a square bracket there. What is the value of b? B is value 1. What is the value of c? C to the value 1 into 1 square. Is it clear? No. This is 9. What is a? 1 by 2. What is b? Minus 1. Minus 1 to the square. What is c square? C is also 1. 1 square. It is close bracket. No. This is minus 4. What is a? 1 by 2 multiply b. B is 1 by 2. I'm sorry, b is minus 1. Minus 1 square multiply c 1 to the power 4. We will put a bracket. We will first then we will verify we have written correctly or not. A 1 by 2, 1 by 2 square. B, what B is minus 1, it is correct. C square, what is C, 1 square, it is correct. 9. A, what is A is 1 by 2, 1 by 2 is it correct. B square, B is minus 1 to the square, it is correct. C square, what is C, C is 1 and 1 square, it is correct. Minus 4, A minus A half, B square minus 1 to the power 2, C is power 4, 0, it is correct. Now we will solve, simplify it. What is 1 by 2? 1 square 1 and 4 square is 1, 2 square is 4. This is minus 1, it is 1, it is clear. Now this is 9 multiply 1 by 2, माइनस स्क्वायर इज पॉजिटिव, माइनस का पावर अगर इवन हो तो माइनस खत्म हो जाता. 1 मल्टीप्लाई 1 इज इट कलर 1 स्क्वायर इज 1. माइनस 4 मल्टीप्लाई हाफ मल्टीप्लाई द 1 सेम इज 1. माइनस 1 to the square is 1 multiply 1. Solve it. There is no terms minus 1 by 4. This minus 1 is multiplied. Then it is 9 by 2. 9 by 2. 9 1 the 9 1 the 9 9 the 9 and 2 2. This is become 2 4 2 the 4 2 will be cancelled by this. This is minus 2. Here 2 is cancelled by this 2. Then minus 1 is multiplied by minus 1. This will become 9 by 4. The final answer is 9 by 4. Now our RHS part. RHS, what is RHS our? This is our RHS part. Minus 36 a to the power 4 b to the power 5 c to the power 8. Minus 36. What is A? A is our 1 by 2. 1 by 2 to the power 4. B, what is B? B is minus 1. Minus 1 to the power 5. What is C? C is 1. 1 to the power 8. This is minus 36 multiply 1 to the power 4 is 1. What is 2 to the power 4? 2 को 4 times पढ़ना है. 2 1 2 2 जा 4 4 to the 8 8 to जा 16. 1 by 16 minus 1 to the power minus 1. This is in odd numbers of power, so minus will be left, and this is 1. Now make it divided. 4 4 the 16, 9 4 the 36. This minus is multiplied this minus. This will become plus 9 by 4. Here the answer comes 9 by 4. Here the answer comes 9 by 4. It is equal. Hence LHS is equal to RHS. Try to put the equal sign just equal, just behind this equal. Here we have given to find the area of a rectangle whose sides are 2a and 3a. के किसी रेक्टेंगल का साइज 2a और 3 है, उसका हम लोगों को एरिया निकालना है. तो हम लोग मान लेते हैं कि लेट length of rectangle L is equal to 3a is supposed, and breadth of rectangle B is equal to 2a. Length is greater, so we have taken 3a. We also, and thus what is the formula of area of rectangle? Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. This is 3a multiply 2a. This will become 6a square. If you want to write 3 multiply 2a into a, this is 3 to the 6a square. You have to put this equal there and write the just below the number. Next question is that question number 8. Find the area of a rectangle whose length is thrice its breadth. उसी एरिया रेक्टेंगल का एरिया निकालना है जिसका लेंथ जो है ब्रेथ का 3 गुना, एंड द ब्रेथ इज 4. ब्रेथ भी दिया है. इसी तरह मान लेंगे लेट L length of rectangle L is equal to what is thrice its breadth. ब्रेथ का 3 गुना है, तो ब्रेथ क्या है, थ्राइस ऑफ ब्रेथ, थ्राइस ऑफ बी, एंड द ब्रेथ इज गिवन 3 into 4x. This is 12x. Is it clear? And breadth of rectangle B is equal to what is 4x. Is it clear? Therefore, area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. What is length? Length is 12x multiply 4x. 12 4 the 48 x square. It is written directly. This is question number 9, and this is very same as of the previous question. So in which find the area of rectangle whose breadth is b, breadth is given b, and the length is square of breadth. Length जो है वो breadth का square. So we will write it as, suppose here breadth, firstly we have written breadth of rectangle is equal to b, as b is b, and length of rectangle. What is length of rectangle? We have it as usual, write it L for length. Length of rectangle is breadth of square of breadth, breadth का square. Is it clear? Therefore, we have to find the area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. What is L? L is b square multiply b. This is become p cube. Answer.